What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the Kobe money. Okay, guys, so this is going to be a DAO on Arbitrum network. Okay, so if you don't know the meaning of a DAO, just go onto Google and type in DAO meaning and you'll find that DAO means decentralized autonomous organization. Okay, so that means that there will be not one person controlling the protocol. Okay, the persons that will control the protocol will be the token holders. Okay, guys, so that's what DAO means. So let's quickly read this medium about the Kobe money and let's see what this project is all about. So over here essentially says that instead of using the traditional banking system, we got the DAO on Arbitrum. Okay, guys, and this DAO will have a treasury, so autonomous treasury. We will have a protocol owned liquidity. We have the cross-chain bridge, the smart contract protocol arbitrage. We will have a stable coin on this protocol, and we will have the diverse revenue streams. Okay, this project will also have two tokens. Okay, guys, so the first token will be the beef and the second token will be the stake. More about that shortly. Okay, guys, so the protocol offered a liquidity yesterday, the 20th of October 2023 at 15 o'clock UTC time, and you were able to purchase some of this liquidity on Arbitrum chain, and the hard cap was 30 ETH, which has been reached. Okay, there was no pre-sale or white listed. Okay, guys, so let's go over to the main website and let's see what's up. Okay, DApp, it's under construction, is not ready yet, but the liquidity offering has been reached, as you can see right here, 100%. Okay, and let's go back. So essentially this is the main page. Over here, if you wanted to enter the liquidity offering, you'd have to come over here. Okay, and over here we got the brief explanations about how the project will work. So we have the beef. Okay, so the beef will be the token that will give you powers to make decisions. Okay, so I will talk more about the beef token in a minute, and the stake token will be a stable coin of this protocol. More about that shortly. Okay, and down here we got the frequently asked questions. Okay, what is Kobe? What's the goal? What's the goal of the Kobe? And how does the DAO model work in your system? All that it's here. Okay, guys. So let's go over to the white paper and let's see what this project is all about. Just come over here to docs. Okay, and we'll take you to this page. Okay, so over here you will find more information about the Kobe, what are the goals, what they will do, etc. Okay, so in simple words, Kobe, it's going to be a DAO. Okay, nobody will have power, like no owner will have power. Okay, the token holders will have the power to make decisions in regards to the protocol. Okay, over here we got the fusions, the vision, and the mission. Okay, so let's go over to the ecosystem tokens and let's find out more information about the tokens. Okay, we got the beef token. Okay, like I said to you, the beef token initially was going to be launched on Arbitrum network, but eventually as the project evolves, they will be available in other chains, and guess what, you won't have to wrap the token around. You just simply bridge the token from one chain to the other without the need to wrap the token. Okay, how cool is that? And also you will have the perks of decision making. Okay, so the more tokens you hold, the more power you will have in regards to making decisions, voting on proposals, and suggesting to make some changes. Okay, and on top of that, you can benefit from price appreciation if the price, goes up exponentially. Okay, guys. So treasure exposure, okay, as the treasury grows, okay, the value and importance of beef may increase, offering potential benefits to the holders. Like I said to you, price appreciation. okay? And we got the tax, okay? So every time the token is bought, sold, or transferred, a 10% tax is applied, okay, guys? So if you buy 100 beef, 10% will directly to the treasury. Cool. The total supply of, excuse me, total supply of the token is going to be 1 million billion trillion, 1 trillion tokens, okay? 1 trillion tokens will be the token supply, and the initial distribution is going to be fair lunch, okay? 50% is set aside for the liquidity offering, and the other 50% will be allocated to the liquidity pool, okay? So the next token is going to be the stake. Okay, so stake is going to be the stable coin of the cold money. Okay, so this token is going to be pegged with a stable coin. Okay, guys, so it's going to be backed 1-to-1 with a stable coin. Okay, and the stable coin is going to be USDT. Okay, and yeah, essentially that's that about that. So let's find out more about the treasury. Okay, so like we saw before, every time you buy, sell, or transfer, a percentage of those transfers, which is 10%, will come to the treasury. Okay, we can find out more about how the treasury is going to work, right? So 10% of the DEX transactions will come to the treasury. 8% of all transactions made through the COBE app will come to the treasury. The protocol will have a protocol arbitrage. Okay, I will talk more about this shortly. Investing, so every time there is an investment, some funds will come to the treasury, DEX transaction fees, and ecosystem products revenue. Okay, so this project seems to be that is going to be having lots of potential. Okay, guys, so the cross bridge change, like I said to you initially, the beef token will be launched on Arbitrum, but eventually you don't have to wrap your tokens to send to another chain. Okay, you can send it straight away to all the compatible chains. Okay, so protocol on liquidity, how this thing going to work. Okay, this will ensure a level of autonomy and resilience unparalleled in many DeFi environments. Okay, so this will how this going to work. So 25% of taxes accumulate in a contract, and whenever the contract balance reaches 0.5% of total supply, half is sold for ETH and USDT, and then it's paired with the other half and then deposit into the liquidity. Okay, guys. So this function will be installed in the smart contract, so the devs don't have to do anything. Okay, that's why it's called a DAO. Okay, guys, so once the project is up and running, everything will run by itself. Okay, and the smart contract will have protocol arbitrage. Okay, and what's going to happen with that? So the users don't have to do anything, okay? Because the protocol itself, we will have protocol arbitrage. So process will be leading to the augmentation of the protocol profitability, okay? This liquidity pool arbitrage bot is not a standalone feature, rather it's an integral component or our multifaceted strategy aimed at generating value, okay? So how this is going to work? Okay, so such as innovate tools and mechanisms, our protocol seeks to diversify its revenue streams, ensuring sustainability, positive cash flow, and amplifying the value proposition for stakeholders and DeFi system. Okay, so arbitrage, if you don't know, is essentially buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. Okay, the protocol, the DAO, will also be open to future investments such as DAO, ICOs, early stage startup investments, trading strategies, and so on. Okay, very cool. So extra revenue stablecoin, but stake will come soon. We'll have a lending protocol as well. And the government's token, we already explained. And over here is how it works. So we put the proposal, you wait 2 days, and then from here, the proposal will be active, and then from there will be accepted or declined, and then from there will be executed if is accepted. Okay, And risk management, so the project will be audited, so smart contracts audits coming shortly, okay. And the website is hosted on the interplanetary file system, IPFS, okay. And essentially that's that. Over here we can find the links to the website, links to the telegram group. At the moment I have 186 members and growing, okay. Twitter got right here, and we got the link for the Medium page, so we can see in summary what this protocol is all about. Okay, guys, so this project is on its early stage, okay, but looks very promising. So in 2021, I believe, end of 21, DAOs were very popular and they did well. So seems like these guys, they are bringing the DAOs again. Okay, so hopefully this DAO will have a good future and everything will go well. So I will keep you on the loop as soon as I find more information about this project in regards to when the DApp is going to be ready, when we're going to be able to purchase the beef token, the stake token, and participate in this DAO. Okay, guys. That being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.